Hi, welcome to Numina, the only place that's reverse engineered the College Board. We're going to show you how to solve these problems very quickly with mathematical precision and with 100% confidence. That means you no longer have to rely on the answer key, but purely on the power of knowledge. The mind is a powerful tool, and we're going to show you how to use it. Here's how it's done. Here we are with question 11 from section 10. As indicated by our hashtags in the blue box, this question will focus on parallel, modifier, and fragment errors. I'll read the question and then solve the problem for you the first time around. The second time, we'll look at the question, take things a little bit slower, and focus on the grammar in each of the incorrect choices. Then you'll see the question a third time. That third time will give you a chance to apply what you learned and solve the problem on your own. Are you ready? Let's get started. Dime novels, known in 19th century England as penny dreadfuls, flourished because increased mechanization of printing and increased literacy rates made production of large numbers of these books profitable. I think A is okay, so I'm going to hold on to A for now. I see an error in B. I can go ahead and eliminate B. I see another error in C. We can go ahead and cross out C. I see an error in D. D is out. And I see an error in E. E is out. So our answer is A. Well, were you able to follow? Were you able to solve this question quickly and accurately? Did you understand what it is that we actually did? If not, don't worry. Let's move on to the grammar so you can understand this question. Okay, let's take another look at this question and really understand the grammar behind it. I'll read the question again to start us off. Dime novels, known in 19th century England as penny dreadfuls, flourished because increased mechanization of printing and increased literacy rates made production of large numbers of these books profitable. I like A, so I'm going to hold on to A for now. But let's move down to B, with increased literacy rates also made. Well, here they got rid of our coordinating conjunction and replaced it with a preposition with. This gives us a problem. Well, you may ask, well, what's the problem? Well, now we have a modifier error. As you can tell from our note at the bottom, prepositional phrases can serve as either an adjective modifying a noun or an adverb modifying a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Therefore, in this sentence, it fails to make literacy rates as the second contributor to making production profitable. If you're not sure what I mean here, logically in this sentence, we're saying that two things contributed to making dime novels, the production of dime novels profitable. The first thing being increased mechanization of printing. The second contributing factor, increased literacy rates. With cannot function as a coordinated conjunction, so essentially it's leaving out the second contributing factor, which is necessary for this sentence to be accurate. Again, the last part of that note, in this sentence, it fails to make literacy rates as a second contributor to making production profitable. Instead, it's modifying the noun mechanization. So here we have a modifier error in B. So we can go ahead and eliminate B. In C, we have our coordinated conjunction and present, but we have a different problem. We have a parallel problem in C. As you know from the function and use of coordinated conjunctions, they must join equivalent grammatical constructs. As you can tell by our underlined portion of the sentence, we have increased mechanization of printing. Well, modifiers aside, essentially we just have our noun here, mechanization. Then we have our coordinated conjunction and. But what follows is a subject and a verb. It's a clause. Literacy rates increased. So we have a parallel error here. We have a noun on one side. On the other side, we have a complete clause. So it results in a parallel error. So we can go ahead and eliminate C. D gives us a different error. D, as written, it changes our verb made to the present participle form making. And if you read the sentence again, at least from the dependent clause on, because increased mechanization of printing, as well as increased literacy rates, making production of large numbers of these books profitable. Here, if you see our note, certain subordinated conjunctions, such as because, requires a clause to follow. Because plus a subject plus a verb. Because of the present participle form making, we no longer have a verb for this this idea to be complete. So we have a fragment. Remember, participles cannot stand alone as verbs. Here again, we have a present participle. It cannot stand alone as a verb. So again, we have a fragment. We can go ahead and eliminate D. Looking to E, we have the same error that we had in C. We have a parallel error. Again, we have our noun mechanization, followed by our conjunction and then we have a subject verb at the end, a clause. So we have a parallel error. We can go ahead and eliminate E. So confidently, our answer is A. We know with 150% confidence that our answer is A here. Okay, here we are the third time around. Now it's your time to shine. We're going to read the question one more time. I'll give you a moment to pause the video and try to solve it yourself. After you resume the video, we'll go ahead and solve it together. Let's get started. Dime novels, known in 19th century England as penny dreadfuls, flourished because increased mechanization of printing and increased literacy rates made production of large numbers of these books profitable. Okay, go ahead and pause your video now. Okay, welcome back. Were you able to solve the problem quickly? More importantly, were you able to solve the problem accurately and with confidence? Well, let's go ahead and solve it together to confirm the work you've just completed. I'm going to go ahead and keep A. A looks good. I'm going to cross out B. I see a modifier error in B. B is gone. I see a parallel error in C. We can eliminate C. I see a fragment in D. D is gone. And I see another parallel error in E. E is gone. Our answer is A. Now, if you had any difficulty with parallels, modifiers, or the concepts of fragments, or even subordination, just visit our website, go through our archives, and find the video of the concepts that you need help with, and study up. Alright, we'll see you next time. Numina, empowering mind.